Did you know the air you breathe could be cutting your life short? In this episode of our OECD Risk Factor series, we focus on deaths caused by fine particulate matter, PM 2.5. This data shows how invisible pollution becomes a silent killer, especially in countries you might not expect. Let's explore the stark differences in air pollution mortality across the world's most developed nations. We begin with Iceland, where just a few people per 100,000 die from PM 2.5 exposure. Clear skies and sparse industry keep air quality among the best in the world. In the middle of the chart, Netherlands and Austria sit at a tipping point. Both are modern, high-income countries, yet they face persistent air quality challenges in urban and industrial zones. It's a reminder that economic prosperity doesn't always guarantee clean air. Sitting near the middle is the OECD average, a benchmark showing the typical air pollution death rate across developed nations. It reminds us how wide the gap is between the best and worst performers. At the high end of the chart, countries like Poland and Hungary suffer from coal-heavy energy and dense urban smog. The air they breathe is literally killing thousands. This chart doesn't just show who breathes clean air. It shows who can afford to. Pollution deaths are a direct outcome of policy, planning, and inequality. Subscribe Global Health Tracker channel to stay informed. Thanks for watching.